Invideo AI Shorts.
So hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's guide you and teach you how you will be able to use Invideo AI over here to create your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Shorts, or even TikTok Shorts for your social media platforms. So using Invideo AI is actually very straightforward and very simple. So let's explore the different features. So first things first, as of now, there are 3 total models that are being used in Invideo. So we have 1, 2, and 3 over here, with the version 3 being the latest model with generative media, new voices, plugins, and more. You can easily create a video by simply entering a topic over here, giving Invideo AI a prompt, saying the topic, the premise, the detailed instructions in any language that you prefer. Now, this could be difficult for you to just simply create a prompt out of nowhere. You could ask ChatGPT for help, yes. But to make your lives easier, instead of manually typing your prompts over here, we could use different workflows. If you click on workflows over here, this is where you will be able to see some templated prompts that would help you get the output that you want. For example, we're going to be creating YouTube Shorts. You can select YouTube Shorts for short videos over here. These are for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Over here, you can select the purpose over here, as you can see. And you can select here the pacing. Do you want it to be fast-paced or a very fast-paced? And then over here, just simply enter the topic that you want to have. You can have any topic that you want, anything that you prefer, depending on the niche of your topic. So let's say here, working hard. Or working hard gets you success. Something like that. I would rather that you guys have a more descriptive approach, of course. Having a more description here will help the AI with being able to provide or deliver the output that you're trying to get, the output that you're expecting. Over here in the settings section, you could choose between generated clips, generated images, or stock media. Now, for these two, generated clips and generated images, this is going to be available only for those who has an Invideo plan. But for us, since we're using the free version, we don't have access to that. So we're going to stick with the stock media over here for this demonstration. You can add some background music that you prefer or that you want. So over here, we could add some calming music. You could also add specific languages over here. You could choose what language the video would be presented in. You could also add some subtitles, as you can see here. So let's say add a clean subtitle with outline or no outline over here. You could also choose the voice actor that you would have. So over here, you could choose between Californian accent, New York accent, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of options over here. So let's go with a very simple one, a New York accent over here, and then you can choose between male or female. Let's go with female. You can also add a watermark text, music preference, and stock preference over here, as you can see. This is for stock images, so depends on where you will be able to get the images. But anyway, after that, simply click on continue. You can also do the other stuff if you want, but click on continue. And as you can see, it will generate you a very simple and straightforward prompts over here. It may look very simple, but behind the scenes, these are like templates, or these are the only necessary information that the AI needs, and it will be able to understand what you want it to do. So after this, simply click on generate video, and it will generate our video over here. Now, the great thing about Invideo is that you're actually able to watch how it thinks, what it is doing. As you can see here, it will give you a glimpse on the process, the thought process, things that are happening, as you can see here, so that you have an idea on how it does its work. So this gives you additional help with understanding how it is able to generate the scripts, the images, stuff like that. Well, anyway, while waiting for this, we could also talk about other things. Aside from creating short videos, you're also able to actually clone your own voice if you want to be able to use your own voice for the narration. You could also create text to clips over here, which is what we're doing. But you could also do some text to image generation, the generic image generation feature of AI. You also have photo to clip, text to title clip, and some other media over here. And you could also check out the history over here. Over here, as you can see, we have selected stock media. You could choose the duration, either 15, 30, or 1 minute over here. For the audience, you could choose between any of these options. So let's say short viewers, platform would be for YouTube Shorts. You could choose any of this option. If you want generative media, you could select that as well. As you can see, it will give you options such as visual styles, durations, and platform. But that's for planned or with a plan. But anyway, that's not all with this one. Click on continue, and as you can see, it will generate our output. You can click on notify when ready so that you could do other works. You can work on other types of videos, other scripts if you prefer, and so on and so forth. Now, while waiting for this, I guess we could check out our home over here. Or let's go to the home page over here. So earlier we're at text to clip. So this one is for short videos, as you can see. Photo to clip over here, just describe your scene. Text to clip, similarly, this helps you with creating your titles. For the voices over here, as you can see, clone your voice. We could also check out the plans over here. So currently what we're doing is the free version. So for the free version, you're able to actually generate 10 AI minutes per week. So you could create a lot of videos for the week if you are sticking with the 15-second option, or generally 10 videos per week if you're maxing out your duration options that you prefer. So we have the plus, max, and generative over here. This will give you more generative credits and generative power. You're able to clone voices, stuff like that, and you will have storages as well. So for the max over here, you are able to actually generate 15 minutes of generative credit. So you could generate the clips, images, and so on and so forth. However, how long we want. So that's the max, though, 15 minutes. So let's go back to our section over here to see how it's working. As you can see, 25%. You could see here the status as well, or like what it's trying to do, like adding the media tracks, meaning it's getting the musics, it's getting, or you're getting the images that it's going to use for your video. So let's give it some time over here. So I'll go back to you guys when it's finished. So there we go. As you can see, we now have our video prepared. Let us play this for you guys. As you can see, let's see if it will play. So you guys could download this or edit specific parts of the clip if you didn't like a specific part, so you could do that as well. So I'm not sure why it's not playing, so let me wait for this for a bit. So over here, let us hear our video. So let me lower it a bit.
If your dreams look unreachable, you're not alone. Let's change that. It's all about hard work. Push through challenges, stay dedicated, and never give up. Believe in yourself and watch your dreams turn into reality. Hard work makes everything possible. So, are you ready to start your journey to success?
As you can see, really cool, really straightforward. It's actually really great. So what you can do is you can download this now and upload it to your platforms, and you could create bulk videos of this type of videos. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.